Hi students, welcome. In this video we are going to understand about difference between distance and displacement. So students, see here, the distance is the length of the path traveled by a body while moving from an initial position to the final position. So here now displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and final position of the body. So here see in this diagram, here this is the A house and this is the B house, and to reach the B house we need to go through this road which is in gray color, as you can see here. So here from A to B, when we go by this gray colored road, this distance traveled or path traveled is called as distance. So here see, distance is the length of the path traveled by a body while moving from an initial position to the final position. So here this is the path traveled by a body, and so this is called as, this gray color road is called as distance. So now see here again, this is the displacement which is shown by dotted red line between the house A and house B. This is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of the body. So see here, displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and final position of the body, as we can see in the diagram. So here now next is here formula. The formula for distance is equal to speed into time, and it is measured in meter. Okay, so here now displacement formula is velocity into time, and it is measured in meter. Okay, now further see, distance gives the detailed route information that is followed while traveling from one point to another. As you can see here, this distance, this route gives the detailed information of the body which is followed by the body to reach the point from the point A to point B. Okay, so now see here, as displacement refers to the shortest path, it does not give complete information of the route. As you can see here, displacement shows the shortest path, shortest path, so it does not give us the complete information about the route for going from house A to the house B. Okay, further, distance is the scalar quantity as it only depends upon the magnitude and not the direction. Displacement is the vector quantity as it depends upon both magnitude and direction. Further, to calculate distance, direction is not considered, but to calculate displacement, direction is taken into consideration. Further, sixth is denotation of distance is small d, and denotation of displacement is small s. Further, the distance can only have positive values. Okay, but displacement can be positive, negative, and even zero. Distance is not indicated with an arrow, but displacement is always indicated with an arrow. Okay, now ninth point is the distance can be measured along a straight sorry the distance can be measured along a non-straight path. As you can see here, this path is not straight. This is a vertical line, this is horizontal path, then again vertical path, horizontal path, vertical, then horizontal path, then vertical path. Okay, now see, displacement can only be measured along a straight path. As you can see here, along, this is a single straight path, there is no turn. Okay, further, distance depends upon path, that is, it changes according to the path taken. As you can see here, distance changes according to the path taken. Okay, displacement does not depend upon path, and it only depends upon the initial and final positions of the body. So displacement is not depend upon any path, it is a directly connected line between the or path, you can call it as, between the initial and final position of the body. Okay. Further, distance, for distance, value for distance, its value can never be less than value of displacement. But in case of displacement, displacement can be equal to or less than the distance traveled. As you can see here, this is the shortest distance, and this distance can never be the less than the displacement. Okay. Further, there is always a distance covered whenever there is a motion. But in case of displacement, here displacement will be zero if the body comes back to its initial position. Okay. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.